Hi! In front of me is OPPO A98 and today I would like to show you how you can edit saved Google password. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now click on your Google account and tap on the preferable one. In my case, this one. Then select autofill with Google, and passwords. After that, click on one of your apps or websites over here and enter your current login method. All you need to do now is tap on Edit next to Delete and make your changes. Then hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!